I would like to thank Julius Garcia for sending me this article right here. Now, you can clearly tell what you're looking at right here on your screen. I don't think I've ever done a video like this before, but I wanted to bring awareness to it because it definitely has to be addressed. So you see right here, it says STD map, U.S. cities with the highest rate of sexually transmitted diseases. Now, you see right here it has it listed by numbers, and the numbers, of course, is determining what and what level are the cases from lowest to highest. Now, I cut off the bottom part of it because I wanted to read that to y'all myself. So, from 20 to 1. Now, this is based on it says STD cases per 100K and the most popular STD. All of them except for one are chlamydia. Only one of them is gonorrhea, and I'll explain that one when I get to it. So coming in at number 20 is Birmingham, Alabama, with 1,372 cases for chlamydia. Number 19, Denver, Colorado, 1,379 cases of chlamydia. Columbia, South Carolina is number 18 for 1,390 cases of chlamydia. Number 17 is Washington, D.C., 1,393 cases of chlamydia. Excuse me. Number 16, Peoria, Illinois, 1,421 for chlamydia. Number 15 is Columbus, Georgia, 1,440 for chlamydia. Number 14 is Tallahassee, Florida, 1,502 for chlamydia. Number 13 is New York or via Manhattan, 1,542 for chlamydia. Number 12 is Fayetteville, North Carolina, 1,559 for chlamydia. 11 is New York via the Bronx, 1,609 for chlamydia. Number 10 is Indianapolis, Indiana, for 1,613 for chlamydia. Number 9 is Shreveport, Louisiana, 1,615 for chlamydia. Number 8 is Killeen, Texas, 1,644 for chlamydia. Number 7, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, 1,657 for chlamydia. Number 6, Augusta, Georgia, 1,675 for chlamydia. Number 5, Montgomery, Alabama, 1,731 for chlamydia. Number 4, San Francisco, California, 1,754 for chlamydia. And here's the top 3. Now, this one is the gonorrhea. Number 3, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, 1,822 cases for gonorrhea. Most popular STD. Excuse me. Number 2, Jackson, Mississippi, 1,872. Most popular STD, chlamydia. And coming in at number 1, Baltimore, Maryland, 2,004 cases. Most popular STD, chlamydia. It would have to be the one that's in the state that I am in. That is some scary shit. And this is only the top 20. So there has to be most likely more from 21 and above. But they said the most popular cases for each of these are chlamydia. It doesn't necessarily mean that all of these cases are chlamydia. It's just that the most popular STD is chlamydia for these places. So it's a mixture of a bit of everything in there. But chlamydia and gonorrhea for Philadelphia are the most popular. Now that I've read that list, I'm going to go ahead and read the article. Analysis of the latest statistics on a city-by-city basis show Baltimore had the highest per capita with 2,004 cases reported per 100K. There were 207 HIV cases, 7,636 cases of chlamydia, 4,231 gonorrhea cases, and 210 instances of syphilis in the Maryland city. All of that came from Baltimore. In terms of total STD cases, Los Angeles, 92,401 cases. Chicago, 58,322 cases. Houston, 36,910 cases. 710 cases. Phoenix, Arizona, 34,973 cases. And Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, 28,866 cases made the top 5. California was at the top of the rankings with several cities listed as STDs hotspots throughout the state. These included San Francisco, Bakersfield, Fresno, Sacramento, Los Angeles, San Diego, Tacoma, and Riverside. The states of Ohio and Texas tie for second place on the STD list. Cleveland, Cincinnati, Toledo, Columbus, Dayton, and Akron, Ohio made the top 100. The Texas cities of Houston, Killeen, Waco, Lubbock, Austin, Dallas, and San Antonio also made the list. Interbody's research team found nearly half of the top 25 cities with the highest rates of STDs were in the South. Jackson, Mississippi, Montgomery and Birmingham, Alabama, Augusta, Macon, and Columbus in Georgia, as well as Memphis and Tennessee made the list. They also noted 3 of the top 10 cities are quite small. Now that doesn't surprise me. Namely, Augusta in Georgia, Killeen in Texas, and Shreveport in Louisiana. The commonality between these 3 divergent areas is they are home to large military bases. Some cities experience a massive leap in terms of STD rankings since last year. Columbus in Georgia is up 17 spots, while Jackson, Mississippi jumped up 13 spots. Sunny San Fran is up 12 spots, while Milwaukee is in Wisconsin also up by 11 spots. Baltimore and Maryland also leaped up 5 spots since last year. Researchers gathered the data from case statistics for HIV, syphilis, gonorrhea, and chlamydia from the CDC's October 2019 release. HIV cases are not reported for some cities, while common STDs like herpes are not collected by the CDC. They chose cities with an estimated population of 150,000 or more for the top 100. DC was treated as a city, and each New York City borough like its own metro area given its size. Earlier this month, Interbody also revealed Alaska was the state with the highest STD rates, while Nebraska had the lowest. They found southern states dominated the rankings with 7 out of the top 10 states located in the South. See, I'm glad that this was actually sent to me so I could actually bring this to you just in case y'all live near these areas. Now, for me, Baltimore is about 45 minutes away, but also DC is more closer to me. DC for me is about maybe about 5 minutes driving, because I'm like right on that cusp, like right on, almost at that cutoff point. So it doesn't take me long to get to the DC line. But of course, they don't say where in DC that most of these came from, because there is northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. So it doesn't specify where in DC this is coming from. Just like it doesn't really say in all these other places as well. But as long as they have it right there, just know that it's right there. But damn, Baltimore's at the top of that list. That's crazy. But it doesn't eclipse Alaska as a state being the having the highest STD rate. Alaska, of all places, has the highest STD rate statewide. Baltimore just has it. What was it? As a per capita for a city. And I think it's the only city in Maryland that that's listed. But yeah, that's wild. But y'all let me know what y'all think down in the comments. Tell me, was your city on this list, or was there a city that I mentioned in the state where you live at on this list? And how do you feel about this now, knowing this? Y'all let me know what you think. Like, share, subscribe. Make sure to follow me on Twitter and have the notifications turned on. And I will talk to you in the next one.